lumpia for Mr. Allen.
Salamat.
There you go. Look. What's your favorite Filipino food?
Lumpia.
Besides lumpia. Anything
Talaga.
else? Besides lumpia, what other
I like, of
food?
course, I like pancit. I like the traditional foods.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yay! 3 orders of lumpia and then pork belly. And then syempre, wait lang kuya. So, extra special crispy pork belly.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. Pabalik-balik kami dito kasi masarap.
Don't forget to subscribe and like and subscribe to
Rolling Lumpia.
Rolling Lumpia.
Thank you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Thank you. Enjoy. We're just waiting. Here's the loaded. Have you had this before?
No, ma'am.
No, this is your first time?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, well let us know how it is.
Thank you.
All right, yay! I can't wait. This is amazing. Delicious.
I have the regular lumpia and your dynamite. Who's eating the dynamite today?
Me, you.
I love the dynamite.
Okay,
Because it's
I
not
love-
like super spicy. It
Yeah.
just has a little kick to it.
I love it. And if the bigger the kick, the better.
you go.
All right, bye.
Sir.
Yummy.
And here is your regular lumpia.
Yummy.
Oh, yes.
And
Oh,
still fresh cantaloupe.
Scrumptious. Oh.
Lumpia, because we don't have your dynamite today.
Yes, ma'am. It's all
And
good.
the fresh cantaloupe juice.
Thank you guys so much.
Have a great weekend.
You too. Thank you.
Enjoy. Say hi. And then you have the lumpia and banana. Yeah, give me a second.
Sorry. What can I get for you?
This is the banana and then lumpia. One lumpia. Yes.
Get one pork belly adobo and a cantaloupe drink. There we go. One cantaloupe drink. Appreciate it. Thank you. Enjoy. And loaded pineapple for Jacob, then another pork belly. I'm gonna hand this out to Aaron. For Aaron, you hang the food out to you. We'll hand it up.
Ayan guys, yung next order natin is 5 pork belly adobo.
For Dre,
This is gonna be ready. So this is on there. Tell me what's
you ordered the lumpia? You want that in one box? Two orders of lumpia in one box. Be $14.98. Can you drink with it? What's good, Dan? Can you order? So I was just going to ask you one question first, and then you get that card on the screen. Yep. This is your news. I'll card you when it's ready. For Andrew.
order natin guys is dalawang pork belly adobo. 130 pa lang guys, konti na lang yung ano natin. Pagkain sa atin. And then yan guys, meron yan dalawang lumpia each. Atin siya mga rollings ng dalawang cucumber. And ang last garnish is green onions, pang pakulay ng buhay. Ayan, ang ganda. Guys, ang ating pork belly adobo. Ayan guys. Happy Thursday mga ka-rollings. Ayan guys, nakagawa na tayo ng more than 100 bags ng frozen lumpia. As of today mga ka-rollings, meron na tayong pre-order ng 50 bags of frozen lumpia between New Bern and Jacksonville. At pinibenta nga pala natin to ng $30 for 25 pieces.
Hi! Hello! How are you? Wow, so cute!
Hey mga ka-rollings, ayan, share ko lang sa inyo, pakita ko lang sa inyo si Mommy Rolling Lumpia. Ayan, nakaparada sila pareho kasi hindi tayo labas guys. So ayan si Mommy Rolling and ito naman si Baby Rolling Lumpia. Ayan guys, para makita niyo yung difference ng 12 by 6 versus 18 by 8. So ayan guys, 12 by 6 versus 18 by 8. And makikita nyo guys yung pagkakaiba niya sa size. And ayan mga ka-rollings, Mommy Rolling and then si Baby Rolling. Also guys, ayan, wala siya. Itong si Baby Rolling wala siya sa harapan. And then ito meron siya. Ayan mga ka-rollings. And then, yung ating si Mommy Rolling, meron siyang generator cage. At meron din tayong itong propane gas tank na cage. Siyempre, mas mabilis magluto, mas mabilis mag-fry mga ka-rollings kapag propane gas yung gamit nyo. So, ayan. And siyempre guys, ayan ako. Siyempre. O, diba? At mapapansin nyo din mga ka-rollings, pinalitan natin yung logo natin. Kasi nung nag-start pa lang tayo, ayan, hindi natin alam ang ginagawa natin. So, nanguha lang tayo ng picture sa online. Ayan. And then yung ating rolling lumpia, yung pagkakasulat niya guys, may cursive. So, hindi siya masyadong mabasa. Kaya, napag-desisyon na namin na gawin ganito yung kanyang writing. Ayan guys. So but anyway, ayan. Ayan dalawa sila. Ang ganda ng kanilang parking spot. You know, makulimlim at maaliwalas. Ayan guys.
Tell me you're Filipino without telling.